How to fix Roblox failed to download or apply critical settings on your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Roblox being unable to download or your apply critical settings error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you're getting this error, there might be a problem with your network. So for that, check if you're connected to your Wi-Fi. After that, what you can do is you can head over to the search bar of your device and search for network connections. You'll find a few network connections. Open this up. After you open this up, there you will see your connected device, connected network. Double tap on it and open it up. After you've done that, you can then head over to properties. It's right here. Tap on properties and there you'll find different options. Make sure that you've enabled this Internet Protocol v4, then double tap on it. After you double tap on it, right here, use the following DNS server address. Simply select that and simply put in 8888 and do the same for your other option as well. Let me do that here. And for the alternate one as well, simply do this. And after you do that, simply tap on OK. And after you do that, you can try to download your Roblox again. If that does not work, what you can do is you can simply write a program on your CMD. So we'll run a code. So open up your CMD and on your CMD, simply type in ipconfig, give a slash and type in flush DNS. After you type in this code and hit enter, your problem should get fixed. Now try to download your Roblox again and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.